Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox XTOOL Intelligent Onboard Key Programmer K001 and see what's inside the box. There's an operation diagram at its front. At its back, there are company information and a sticker indicating its serial number. You can also find brand name XTOOL on 4 sides of the box. Let's go ahead to open it. Here we got a transparent seal bag with 3 materials inside: user manual, certificate of quality, and packing list. There are 4 items well packed in the box. Main units are KC100 and VCI. They are traceable with serial number at their backs if quality issues occur. There are 3 indicating lights on the VCI: power indicator, Bluetooth indicator, and vehicle indicator. The rest 2 are cables. This one is Mini B to Type-C cable, and the other one is DB15 to OBD cable. These are all we got in the box. From a design perspective, this key programmer has simple and elegant design, as well as excellent workmanship. Weight only 50 grams, this key programmer is portable with only slab size. How to use app. First, download free app K001. Activate and log in the app within seconds. Then, click menu on top left corner and select Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is paired, you don't need to input code to pair with your phone again. The device will reconnect with your phone automatically. Next, select Update to download all needed software. Click Immobilization and choose your vehicle type. Which functions are available at your fingertip now? For example, it can read PIN code and supports speed coding for Volkswagen 4 and 5, both online and offline function, and BMW Class 1 to 3 Plus, Class 4, FEM. Moreover, it can realize key programming by phone and compatible with KS1, Toyota Smart Key Simulator. Detailed diagnosis report can be found here. You can also set your workshop information or modify language setting. These are all we'd like to share for this key programmer. If you want more details, please stay tuned to XTOOL. Thanks for watching.